Sri Ramcharitmanas, the Manas lake containing the exploits of Shri Ram. Descent 1. Balkand Shlok. Varnanamrtsanghanam rasanam chandasamati mangalanam च कर्तारो वंदे बाणी विनायको. Slok 1. Here salute या request या reverence to Ganesh Bhagwan and Vinayak and Ma Saraswati या goddess या speech. I reverence Vani. Vani means the goddess of speech, means Ma Saraswati, and Vinayak. Vinayak means Lord Ganesha, the son of Shiva, Shiv and Parvati, and brother of Kartikeya. The originators of sound represented by the alphabet of the multitude of objects denotes by those sounds of poetic sentiment as well as of meters and the begetters of all blessings. भवानी शंकरौ वंदे श्रद्धा विश्वास रूपिणौ. रूप लो यामा बिना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धा स्वान्तस्मीश्वरम्. I greet Goddess Parvati. I greet Goddess Parvati and her consort Bhagwan Shankar, embodiments of reverence and faith respectively, without which even the adept can't perceive God enthroned in their very heart. वंदे बोधमयं नित्यं गुरु शंकर रूपिणं एमाश्रितो हि वक्रोऽपि चंद्र सर्वत्र वंदते. I make obeisance to the eternal preceptor in the form of Lord Shankar, who is all wisdom, and resting on which broke the crescent moon. Though crooked in shape, is universally adored. सीताराम गुणग्राम पुण्यारण्य बिहारिण वंदे विशुद्ध विज्ञान कवीश्वर कपीश्वर. I pay homage to the king of Bodh, Valmiki, and the chief of monkeys. Chief of monkeys means Hanuman. I pure intelligence of pure intelligence, both of whom sport in the holy woods in the shape of glorious of Sita and Ram. उद्भवस्थि संहार कारिणीं कलेश हारिणीं सर्वश्रेष्ठकरीं सीतां नतोऽहं रामवल्लभाम्. I bow to Sita, the beloved consort of Sri Ram, who is responsible for the creation, sustenance and dissolution of the universe, remove affliction and visits all blessings. यन्मायावशवर्ती विश्वमखिलं ब्रह्मादिदेवासुरा यत्सत्त्वाद मृषैव भाति सकलं पुरज्जो यथारे भ्रम यत्पादपल्लवमेकमेव हि भवाम्बुधेस्ति ईर्षावतां वन्देऽहं तं तमशेषकारणपरं रामाख्यमीशं हरिम्. I adore Lord Hari. I adore Lord Hari, known by the name of Sri Ram, who is superior to and lies beyond our causes, whose Maya, elusive power. Maya means elusive power. Hold sway over the entire universe, including gods from Brahma, the creatures downward, and demons, whose presence lends positive reality to the world of appearance, even as the false notion of the serpent is entertained with reference to rope, and whose feet are the only bark of those who are eager to cross the ocean of mundane existence. नाना पुराणा निगमागसम्मतं यदा रामायणे निगदितं क्वचिदन्योऽपि स्वान्तसुखाय तुलसी रघुनाथ गाथा भाषा निबन्धमतिमञ्जुलमातनोति. For the gratification of his own self, Tulsidas, bring forth this very elegant composition relating in common parlance the story of the Lord of Raghu, which is in accord with the various Purans, Vedas, and Agams. Agams means tantras, and incorporated what has been recorded in the Ramayana of Valmiki and culled from some other sources. सुरठा जो सुमिरत सिद्धि होई गण नायक करिबर बदन करहु अनुग्रह सोई बुद्धि राशि शुभ गुण सदन. May Lord Ganesh, the leader of Shiva retinue, whose very thought ensure success, who carried on his shoulder the head of the beautiful elephant, who is a repository of wisdom and an abode of bliss, quality, shower his grace. मुख होई वाचाल पंगु चढ़ई गिरिवर गहन जासु कृपया सो दयाल द्रवौ सकल कलिमल दहन. दयाल जासु कृपया सो दयाल द्रवौ सकल कलिमल दहन. May that merciful Lord, whose grace enable the dumb to wax, eloquent and crippled to ascend an inascendable mountain, and who burn all the impurity of the Kali age, be moved to pity. नील सरोरु श्याम तरुण अरुण बारिज नयन करहु सो मम उरधाम सदा क्षीर सागर शयन. May the Lord, who ever sleep on the ocean of milk, and who is swarthy as a blue lotus, and has eyes resembling a pair of full-blown red lotuses, take up his abode in my bosom. कुंद इंदु समदेह उमारमन करुणायन जाहि दीन परनेह करौ कृपया मर्दन मयन. May the cruiser of Cupid, Bhagwan Shiva, whose form resembles in color in the jasmine flower, and the moon, who is the consort of goddess Parvati, and the abode of compassion, and who is fond of the afflicted, be gracious. बंदौ गुरुपद कंज कृपया सिंधु नर रूप हरि महामोह तम पुंज जासु बचन करिब करन निकर। I bow to the lotus feet of my Guru, who is an ocean of mercy, and is no other than Sri Hari himself in human form, and whose words are sunbeams, as it were for dispersing the mass of darkness in the form of grass ignorance. बंदौ गुरुपद पदुम परागा सुरचि सुवास सरस अनुरागा अमीय मूरिमय चूरन चारु समन सकल भवरुज परिवारु सुकृति संभुतन विमल विभूति मंजुल मंगल मोद प्रसूति जन मन मंजु मुकुर मलहरनी ये तिलक गुण गण बस करनी श्री गुरुपद नख मन गण ज्योति सुमिरत दिव्य दृष्ट ही होती दलन मोह तम सोस प्रकाशो बड़े भाग उरयावल आवई जासु उभरहि विमल विलोचन ही के मितहि मितहि दोष दुख भव रजनी के समुझहि रामचरित मनि मानिक गुपुत प्रगट जह जो जेहि खानिक। There are 4 chaupai and meaning of 4th chaupai. I greet the pollen like dust of the lotus feet of my preceptor, refulgent, fragrant and flavored with love. It is the lovely powder of the life-giving herb, which allows the host of all the attendant ills of mundane existence. It adorns the body of the lucky person, even as white ashes beautiful the person of Lord Shiva. And Lord Shiva means Lord Shiva, and brings mirror in the shape of the duty heart. When applied to the forehead in the form of a tilak, a religious mark, it attracts a host of virtue. The splendor of gems in the form of nails on the feet of the blessed Guru unfold divine vision in the heart by it very heart. The lustre dispersed the shapes of infatuation, highly blessed in he whole bosom, it shine with it very appearance. The bright eyes of the mind get opened. The attendant evil and suffering of the night of mundane mundane existence disappear and jump and rubbish in the shape of stories of Sri Ram, both patent and hidden, where you wherever, wherever and in whatever mind they may be come to light. जथा सुअंजन अंजिदृग साधक सिद्ध सुजान कौतुक देखत शैल बना भूतल भूरि निधान। As for instance, by applying to the eyes the miraculous salve known by the name of Siddhanjan and Siddhanjan means the eye salve of perfection. Strivers adopts as well as men of wisdom easily discover a host of mines on hilltop, in the midst of forest, and in the bowels of the earth. गुरुपद रज मृदु मंजुलयंजन गुरुपद रज मृदु मंजुलयंजन नयन अमीय दीर्घ दोष विभंजन एहि करि विमल विवेक विलोचन वरनौ रामचरित भवमोचन। बंदौ प्रथम महिषुर चरना मोह जनित संशय सब हरना सुजन समाज सकल गुण खानी करऊं प्रणाम सप्रेम सुबानी साधु चरित शुभ चरित कपासु निरस विशद गुणमय फल जासु जो सही देख जो सही दुख पर छिद्र दुरावा वंदनीय जेहि जग जस पावा जो जहि देह मुद मंगल मय संत समाजु जो जग जंगम तीरथ राजू राम भक्ति जह सुर सरि नाना सरसई ब्रह्म विचार प्रचारा विधि निषेध मय कलिमल हरनी करम कथा रविनंदनी बरनी हरिहर कथा विराजति बेनी सुनत सकल मुद मंजल बेनी। बटु विश्वास अचल निज धर्मा तीर्थ राज समाज सुकर्मा सबहि सुलभ सब दीन सब देहान सबहि सुलभ सब दिन सब देहान से देशा अनि सबहि सुलभ सब दिन सब देशा सेवत सादर समन कलेशा। अकतय लौकिक तीर्थ राऊ देई साध्य फल प्रगट प्रभाव। The dust of the Guru feet is soft and agreeable, salve, which is ambrosia, as it were for the eyes, and remedies the defect of vision, having brightened my eyes of discernment. Thereby I proceed to relate the story of Sri Ram, which secures freedom from the bondage of munda existence. First I reverence the feet of Brahmans, the very god of earth, who are able to dispel all doubts born of ignorance. Then I make lovely obeisance in the polity language to the whole body of pious soul, the minds of all virtue. The conduct of holy man is noble as the career of the cotton plant. The fruit whereof is tasteless, with white and fibrous, even as the doing of Sant yield result, which are free from attachment, stainless, and full of goodness. Here the fruit of cotton plant has been characterized in the original as Niras, Hisad, and Gunmay, which word can be interpreted both ways as in the rendering given above. Even by suffering hardship in the form of ginning, spinning, and weaving, the cotton plant covers other faults and has hereby earned in the world as renown which is worthy of adoration. The assemblage of saints, which is all joy and facility, is a moving Prayag, the king of all holy place, as it were devotion to Sri Ram represents in this moving Prayag the stream of the holy Ganga, the river of the celestial, while the proceeding of an inquiry into the nature of Brahma, the Absolute, constitute the Saraswati, the discourses on karma or action consisting of injunctions and interdiction have been spoken of as the sacred Yamuna, a daughter of the sun god in her angelic form. Washing the impurity of the Kali age, while the ancestor of Vishnu and Shiva stand out as the triple stream known as Triveni, bringing joy and blessing to those who listen to them, unwavering faith in their own creed, consulted the immortal banyan tree, and the noble action represent the royal court of the king of holy place, easy of access to all on any day and at every place. This moving Prayag Samuyeg, the affliction of those who resort to it with reverence. This king of holy places it beyond all description and supra mundane in character. It bestows the reward immediately, and its glory is manifesto.